Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 in Comm 102. This week you're really focusing on two main things. You're going to be giving your first speech, a little mini speech, and then also discussing PowerPoint, effective uses and poor uses, and also effective speech techniques. So pretty simple, not too bad this week. Jump in, first thing is the speech itself. So this is a mini speech. All it is the intro and the conclusion to your informative speech. So you wrote that a little bit last week, and so you would now be giving it. So just on webcam, and the instructions are there listed for you. In general, this would be about a 3-minute speech, minute and a half for your intro and your conclusion. One really important point is this does have to be on YouTube. You can't use raw files. If you upload raw files, you will not receive credit. The reason for this is that video files tend to be quite large. It can be really difficult to download and manage for people to view. So it has to be on YouTube in order to receive credit. That's due by Wednesday night, so have your own speech in by Wednesday night, and then each of you are in kind of a mini group, about 4 to 5 people. You need to watch everyone else's speeches in the group, and then give them feedback by Saturday night. So just make sure you get yours in by Wednesday night, and do feedback for everyone in your group by Saturday night. So if you have any questions on that, please let me know. The second major assignment you have this week is the PowerPoints. So there's 2 PowerPoints you're going to create, and they can be a little confusing when you read these instructions. So just to clarify, your first PowerPoint is a bad PowerPoint. And what you're doing is you're illustrating 10 traps or bad uses of PowerPoint. So things like having too much text or too many images, or you can Google, research this a little bit, come up with 10 different types of bad PowerPoint techniques, and then list them and demonstrate them on each slide. So it'll be 10 slides that demonstrate it and list what the problem is. Your second PowerPoint is a little different. So you're going to use good PowerPoint techniques, but your subject is going to be 10 effective tips for giving a good speech. So sometimes people think it's the same subject, but it's actually different. So it's bad PowerPoint techniques and it's good speech techniques. So read through the instructions. Let me know if anything is unclear on that. So that is also due by Wednesday, and then you'll look through the PowerPoints and once again give feedback to your group members by Saturday. Other than that, the last thing is just your participation quiz. It hopefully now is becoming a little bit more familiar. So if you do have any questions on any of this, please just let me know. I'm excited to see the beginning of your speeches.